Okay, create profile. So any profile can do, no problem. So this is how to show pad punya function. Okay. So in case you want to make it green, so can add dimension. Okay, don't worry about the dimension. This is just for example. Okay, so I just make mine green, so that it is fully constrained. Okay. Okay, if your sketch is finished, then we can exit workbench. Is exit workbench. Exit workbench. So exit workbench means that we are going to exit this workbench into part design workbench. Okay. Boleh kan saya terus? Boleh. Exit workbench. Okay, simple. Ini simple. Then we go to pad. 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 So select pad. Okay. Saya cancel dulu, cancel. So in case contoh you dah exit workbench, so you punya sketch ni dia tak on. Tak on ni maksud dia tak orange lah. So part body sketch 1 tak orange. Kan? Contoh you dah tertekan escape, dia dah tak orange. So you can just select this sketch ataupun select from the tree sketch. So orange means that dia select lah. Kalau dia tak on, you select pad ni, dia akan minta you cari lah. Kan? This profile selection, no selection. Dia akan minta you cari. Okay, so sama je, sama je. Mana-mana pun boleh. Okay, so when you select pad, so means that we are applying solid to it. Okay, so either we can adjust this limit 1 or limit 2. Oh, kalau kita tahu dia punya panjang, kita boleh masukkan sini. Just enter what number you want. It's either you want this direction or reverse direction also can. Don't worry. Okay. And as well, you can select different option. So you select dimension means that we are applying 50. For this case is 50 mm. So 50 mm to the top side. Okay. So up to next, up to last, up to plane. This is in case ada body lain lah. So kalau ada part lain you boleh buat ni. For this session just use dimension. Okay. If you want to reverse direction means that we go down. Okay. You can also select preview to preview you punya part model. Okay. Then if you satisfied with it, just click OK. Okay. So if you notice you punya tree, before is sketch, now is already registered as pad. Pad, so dia ada volume. So you punya sketch mana nak cari dalam ni. Sketch ada dalam ni. Okay. So this sketch, if you notice, it is height. Height ni maksud dia blur, blur. Oh, sorry. Dia blur, So blur means the height lah. So kalau you nak nampak dia, you just right click. Just right click and open lah. Height and show ni. So height show. Okay. So you akan nampak lagi you punya sketch. So some people want want the sketches to be visible, some don't. Okay. So just hide it, don't worry. Same idea. So just select sketch. Now, oh sorry, because of this is active. So now select part body. Okay, select sketch. Now we have to select which plane ataupun face yang kita nak lukis tu. Okay, so select the top face. So means that we select the top face kat mana yang kita nak buat lubang tu lah. Okay, so draw a rectangle. Just make a basic rectangle like that. Boleh. Okay. Baik sekali. Ha? Apa tangkap? Okay, so daripada luar. So sketch tu ni I delete dulu lah. Okay. Okay, so sekarang ni kita nak lukis di atas ni. Okay, so kita select this sketch. So now it says select a plane or planar face or a sketch. Okay, so kita select this face. Okay, face. So maksudnya kita nak lukis di atas ni lah. And then kita build a rectangle. Just build a rectangle. Okay. So if you notice my rectangle ni dia tarik sampai keluar because I nak dia, you boleh nampak dia potong sampai luar lah. Okay. So tak apa, you buat je macam mana rectangle you nak. Kita nak tunjukkan pocket. Okay. So dah. Okay, kalau dah exit workbench semula. Okay. So sekarang ni sketch kita di atas ni. So kita nak buat pocket ke bawah. Okay, if you go to this pocket, so dia ada pocket, multi pocket, draft fillet pocket. Okay, so select pocket only. Okay, pocket only. So make sure you select that sketch, sketch tadi tu. Okay. Ni tu kena ni sikit lah, sebab dia terlepas yang first. Dia cepat terlepas pergi. Tu tunjukkan dia. Okay. So, okay, for pocket definition, there's a few option. Okay, few option. Dimension, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. So dimension ni means that kita masukkan dimension lah. Okay. So kita nak dia blindly follow this dimension. Berapa contoh 30. Okay. So bila 30, dia akan potong 30 lah. Okay. Kalau contoh you nak dia, you tahu dimension, you nak dia true whole, true all. Okay. So you pun tak tahu dimension berapa, so you just tarik je limit ni kan. So dia akan potong sampai habis. Okay, kalau you tak nak masuk, you tak nak main ni, kita boleh pakai up to next. Okay, up to next pun potong habis juga. Okay, up to last pun sama. Up to plane. Up to plane you kena select plane lah, and up to surface. Okay. So just select up to last. Okay, up to last. And preview and okay. See, so it's already make a pocket. And this pocket is registered on the tree. Okay. So we want to see this A, B, C, D, E punya different. Okay. So from if you see my part, okay. So that's why saja dia buat pocket tengah-tengah tu, supaya I boleh lukis something from the bottom side. Okay. So now create a hole, sketch, and create a circular. Create a circular from the top or bottom. Okay, no problem. You got from the top, then create from the top. You got it from bottom pun boleh. Okay. Then from this hole, exit workbench. Okay, so mine is from bottom and create another pocket from this hole. Okay. So try to play up to last, up to next, up to plane. So if up to plane, you have to select the plane lah. Okay. Okay, so this is up to last. Okay, try to play with this option. This 1, 2, 3, 4 option of pocket. Okay, so we got different type of circular pocket or holes. So kita ada simple, tapered, counter bore, counter sunk, counter drill. So this type of hole dia punya function will include different type of option lah. Okay. So dalam in CATIA, okay, so kita ada ini function hole. This specific hole function, dia akan make use of you punya function punya hole lah. Okay. So kita nak gunakan function ni lah. So first try to pad this rectangle. Okay. So file new ataupun start part design tu boleh So file new, cari part. Okay, part. Okay, file new part. Okay. It's okay, you can name it as apa yang you nak. So leave it as part 2 pun okay. So we're not going to save this part. Okay, so macam biasa, sketch, select plane. Okay, create a rectangle. Okay, so kalau nak jadikan hijau, just make a dimension. Okay, lebar dengan head dia. Okay, jadikan hijau Then exit workbench, padkan dia 20 mm is good enough. And okay. Okay, boleh tak? Tak juga kan? Senang kan? So we're going to create hole on the top face of this rectangle. Dah. Okay. So for using this hole function, so we don't have to sketch. Kita hanya boleh click hole and then select face or plane. Itu je. Dia kata select face or plane, option ni select point. Okay, so kita select je face atas ni. Okay, so automatic this interface come out. So this is diameter of the hole. Diameter of the hole. Okay, and this is the depth. Okay, berapa dalam dia. So ingat tadi you punya pad adalah 20. So kalau 10 tak ni lah. Okay, so this is option if you want to make it blind hole. Blind ni maksud dia you put parameter lah. Okay, so kalau you nak buat macam tadi up to next or up to last also can, tak ada masalah. So ini pun boleh buat. Okay, so leave it as blind, 10, depth 20. Okay, okay, habis ke option dia? Belum habis lagi. Yang ni tak habis lagi. Dah sampai sini lah? Siapa yang belum sampai sini? Semua dah sampai sini? Okay, now it's time to position. Position kita punya hole. So kita tak nak, kita just letak je kan. So kita klik di positioning sketch. Okay, so nampak tak titik putih tu? So titik putih ni lah yang you adjust.